Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Happily Handmade by Janani. So today I'm up with a tutorial of this cute baby beanie. So this size is for a 6 months to 1 year old baby. So let's dive into the tutorial. So the materials required are a 3.5 mm crochet hook and a suitable yarn. So I'll join these two strands to make it into a thicker yarn. And also you will need a darning needle. Let's start the tutorial. So to start off the project, I'm going to make a magic circle. You can make this any way you want to. So now I've made a magic circle. I'm going to chain 2. So now I've made chain 2. So inside the magic circle, I'm going to make 12 double crochets. You never count those 2 chains that we made as a double crochet. So we're going to make 12 double crochets. So this is 1, 2. So go on and make 12 double crochets. I'll meet you back at the end. So as you can see, I've made 12 double crochets into the magic ring. So now I'll close the ring. So now I close the ring. I'm going to slip stitch in the first double crochet, not in the 2 chains that we made here. So now I'm going to slip stitch in this first double crochet that we made. Do not slip stitch in the 2 chains. So I'm going to slip stitch and you can pull the magic ring. So this is our first round. So now we're going to do chain 2. So now after the chain 2, I'm going to do 2 double crochets in this same stitch. So in this same stitch, the two chains come out from. So this is 1 and 2. So now I've made 2 double crochets into this same chain. So now I'm going to continue making 2 double crochets into every double crochet around, and I'll meet you back at the end. So now I'm done with row 2. I'm going to slip stitch in the first double crochet, not the 2 chains here, the first double crochet. So I have slip stitched. To start with row 3, we're going to do chain 2. So after chain 2, we're going to do 2 double crochets into the same stitch where the chain 2 comes from. So 1 and 2. So now I've made 2 double crochets into the same stitch the chain 2 comes out from. So the next I'm going to do 1 double crochet, and in the next 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, follow this pattern 2 double crochets and 1 double crochets 12 times to complete the row, and I'll meet you back. So now I have reached the end of the row. I need to do the last double crochet. So this is the 36th double crochet. So I've completed the last double crochet. So you need to have 36 double crochets around. Now we are going to slip stitch in the first double crochet here. So your row 3 is completed. So here I'm doing this for a newborn baby. So we'll measure this. So the diameter is nearly 8 centimeter. We need the diameter to be 10 centimeters or 4 inches in length. So we'll do one more increase row to bring it to 4 inches. So now let's start with row 4. Start with a chain 2. So this gives us the height. So we're going to do 2 double crochets into this same stitch. So 2 double crochets into this same stitch, and we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and one more in the next. So this is the pattern that we're going to follow. 2 double crochets and in the same stitch and 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. So this is how we're going to follow until the end of this row. So I'll continue like this until the end and I'll show you. So now I'm going to complete this row. Last 2 stitches are there. So 47th double crochet and 48th double crochet. So around this round you have 48 double crochets. So we're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet here. So yeah, that is the end of row 4. So now let's measure the diameter. So this is nearly 4.1 inches long, so this would be the correct size. So now we're not going to do any increase, we are just going to continue making 1 double crochet around until the desired height. So now we're going to start row 5 with chain 2, and then we're not going to do any increase or anything, we're just going to do 1 double crochet all around. So every row has to have 48 double crochets excluding these 2 chains. So you need to start your first double crochet in the same stitch here. So this is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to continue these 1 double crochet in every stitch until the desired height, that is 5 inches for a 1-year-old baby. So I'll keep crocheting and I'll show you at the end after I reach my desired height. So now I'm done with row 6 of 1 double crochet in every double crochet. So total I'm having 48 double crochets. Make sure that you have 48 double crochets at the end of every row, and you need to slip stitch in the first double crochet here, and you need to start every new row with chain 2. So this is what you need to follow until the end. So now I have completed until the desired height. It's nearly 4.5 inches in height. I would like to add another row, but not in the same double crochet. I think I'll be adding half double crochet. Let's see how it goes. So now we have a total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 rows of double crochets. So we had 4 rows of increase, and then 1 2 3 4 5 rows without any increase. So this is how it looks. So I'll be adding a row of half double crochets now. So we'll start this row with chain 2, and I'll be doing half double crochet stitches, 48 half double crochet stitches along the 48 double crochets. So yeah, this is how it looks. So I think it's nice. I'll complete the row and I'll show you. So now I'm at the end of the row. I have done 48 half double crochets, and now I'm going to slip stitch in the first half double crochet here, and chain 1, and I'll cut this yarn. So this is how our baby beanie looks like at the end of the project. You can add a different color to the edging as well. That will look very pretty. You can also add a flower or a bow to it to make it look even more cuter, but this looks very cute as it is. I really love the way it turned out. So this is for a 1-year baby, 6 months to 1-year-old baby. So if we see the measurements, the height is about 5 inches long, and the width of the hat is around 6.2 inches. So now we have got the desired measurements for a 6-month to 1-year baby. This is a very short and easy project. It has very basic stitches and it is very easy to understand. So do try it for yourself and tell your thoughts in the comments. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll meet you all back in another video. Until then, it's bye from Janani.